Welcome back to the Plan Future Insight. I'm Investment DADA, and today we are going to talk about something very special. You have asked a wonderful question, and I am genuinely proud you are asking this. Most people spend years earning without ever planning, and here you are, stepping up. Let us build this together, step by step, simply and clearly. Let us start with a simple truth. Think of your income like a full thali. You need the right portions for everything to be balanced. The first step is to make your budget using the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs like rent, groceries, EMIs, utilities, and transport. 30% goes to wants like dining out, movies, shopping, and subscriptions. And 20% goes to savings and investments like SIPs, PPF, emergency fund, and insurance. For example, if your take-home pay is 60,000 rupees per month, 30,000 rupees goes to needs. 18,000 rupees goes to wants. And 12,000 rupees goes to savings. That 12,000 is your wealth building engine. Before investing, build an emergency fund. This should cover 6 months of essential expenses, which in this example is 1.8 lakh rupees. Park that money in a liquid fund that gives around 7% returns and is easily accessible. Now, let me walk you through your first investment ladder. First, build that emergency fund of 1.8 lakh rupees in a liquid fund. Second, get a term insurance policy. For a 30-year-old, a 1 crore rupee cover costs only around 500 to 600 rupees per month. Third, get health insurance for your family with a cover of 5 to 10 lakh rupees. This gives you tax benefits under Section 80D 4th, and only after these 3 steps, start your SIPs. Here is the beautiful part. The power of compounding is like a banyan tree growing from tiny seeds. If you invest 5,000 rupees per month in a SIP that earns 12% CAGR, after 10 years you will have invested 6 lakh rupees, but your final value will be 11.6 lakh rupees. After 20 rupees you will have invested 12 lakh rupees, but the final value will be 49.8 lakh rupees. After 30 rupees you will have invested only 18 lakh rupees, but your final value will be 1.76 crore rupees. That is the magic of compounding. Now, let us look at a sample starter portfolio for 12,000 rupees per month total. 40% goes to a large cap fund like SBI Large Cap Fund. 25% goes to a mid cap fund like Nippon India Growth Mid Cap Fund. Another 25% goes to a balanced advantage fund like HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund. And 10% goes to an ELSS tax saver fund like SBI ELSS Tax Saver. This gives you diversification across market caps, tax benefits, and downside protection. Looking at today's market context, as of the latest data, Nifty is at 23,997.55 with a pay ratio of 22.84. This is fairly valued, with the deviation just 6.2% above the 10-year median of 21.5. The bear ratio is at 0.64, which is below 0.8, signaling that stocks are still cheap compared to bonds. This is a great time to start SIPs. My verdict is to continue SIPs normally. No panic, no euphoria. Discipline wins. Now, here is what you can do this week. First, calculate your monthly expenses and decide on your 20% savings amount. Then, open an account with a trusted mutual fund distributor who will be your financial bodyguard. Next month, set up a 5,000 rupee per month SIP in SBI Large Cap Fund and start building your emergency fund in a liquid fund. By your 3-month milestone, add your mid-cap and balanced advantage fund SIPs, and also buy your term insurance and health cover based on your situation. Dada's wisdom is this: the best time to start investing was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. A 5,000 rupee SIP started today, untouched for 30 rupees becomes 1.76 crore rupees. Your future self is depending on today's discipline. Remember, investment in the equity market is subject to market risk. We do not claim any guarantee of return in equity-related investments. Past performance is not indicative of future results. You have the courage to ask the right questions. Now, go out there and build your future with confidence. This is Investment DADA, signing off. Until next time, stay wise and stay invested. Thanks and regards, Kaustav Bishwas from Plan Future, welcoming you to visit our website. Data and AI driven, your personal navigator and co-pilot for investment analysis.